What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to add music to Canva video. So here, as you can see, I have Canva opened and I have a video. I'm working on it here. Just a small video to demonstrate, and I want to add music to this video. Now to add music, I'll go to the tab on the left here and I'll click on Elements. Here you can add all kinds of graphic elements or audio and any effect. So I'll type in the search, I'll type in audio or music. Okay, hit enter. And let's say background music. It'll give me some graphics of music, and if I scroll down I'll see the audio. So I'll choose see all here, and it'll give me many music tracks to choose from. Let's say I like this one. Let's click on it to play it. Okay, I like this one. Here I can like drag it and drop it below my video here. Let's adjust the position so that it'll start when the video starts, and when I play the video, it'll play with music. That sounds good. Now I can continue editing the video and then share it or download it to my computer.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.